just talking about more snow is on the way, just as that cleanup from Thursday's blizzard still isn't over. Some people are upset that some roads in New Haven still are not cleared tonight. News 8's Renee Schmiel live tonight out there in the mobile weather lab driving around New Haven. How are the roads looking tonight, Renee?
And it really depends on where you are. Let's take a look outside. We're on Greenwich Avenue right now. As you can see on both sides of the road, there are cars parked and snow piled up around them. Some of the cars haven't even been dug out yet, and that's been causing some problems for plows and for drivers.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Tara Williams is visiting New Haven from Stamford for the weekend. When she arrived, she couldn't believe how much snow she saw in the streets. She says the roads in Stamford look nothing like this.
I was just surprised because, I mean, New Haven's, not a small town, so you think there'd be more cleaning going on here so people can get around and, do things.
But the New Haven Department of Public Works has been trying to clear the roads. Crews worked all day yesterday and overnight. When the sun comes out and it gets warmer, the snow starts to melt, and it can look like the roads were never plowed at all. And that's not the only thing making plowing tough.
And some of the SUVs are more cleaned out, I guess, so could get over the snow, but the smaller cars are stuck in there.
Cars parked on the side of the road still buried in the snow, and that can make some narrow city streets even tighter. Drivers even finding driving and parking downtown to be difficult.
The streets are very messy. It's very difficult to drive in, and it's slippery and full of snow.
But it wasn't just the streets that people were upset about. Some people walking around the city thought the sidewalks weren't safe to walk on. Many still covered with snow.
The sidewalks are pretty bad. Often I will be walking in the street, which isn't that great because, it's for cars.
And if you still have to dig out your car, the Department of Public Works is asking that you put the snow on the side of the road and that you don't throw it in the middle of the road, and that'll make it easier for them and make it faster for them to clear the roads. Live in New Haven, Renee Schmiel, News 8.
All right.